Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me introduce you this, a light emitted diode bulb set. It is a bunch of two LED bulbs in one pack with remote control. We have three colors available: 3000 Kelvin, then for 5000 Kelvin and 6000 Kelvin. So we can switch between three of the Kelvin settings as we need it. We have on top dimmable bulbs for the living room, for the bedroom, with remote controls. Oh yeah, with timing function and memory function. It's a pack of two. Convenient remote control. We take full control of our lighting without leaving our seat. The supplied remote control allows us to change the color's temperature, adjust the brightness, and turn on and off the lights from anywhere in the room. Unlike complex, intelligent, smart light bulbs, this plug-and-play solution works instantly. We just screw it into the base and we use the simple remote control. We do not have to download an app. We do not have to program each other. No, it's easy. It is old school. Significantly energy and cost saving too. Because these light emitted diode remote control lights bulbs replaces a traditional 40 watt up to 50 watt light bulb that reduce our electricity bills by up to 85% against an Edison bulbs, while delivering the same brilliant light output and 3 color temperature in one light bulb. Because the remote control light bulb simply switch between warm white 3000 Kelvin for a cozy relaxation, natural white with 4000K for a focus task, and cool white with 6000K for with energy. And these bulbs are dimmable and they comes with a timing function. We enjoy a full control over our ambience with a smooth dimming from soft shine to a full brightness. In addition, we can use the timing function to automatically turn off the lights after a fixed time. That's perfect for effortlessly falling asleep or saving energy and get a best of our sleeping time. And here, E27 base and a G45 shape. Because the E27 LED bulb with a remote control features a standard E27 screw base and a classic G45 ball shape. This makes it a direct replacement bulb for most table lamps, ceiling lights, pendants, and living room lights. So easy it is with this, the Bright Arc E27 LED bulbs with remote control services. With 3 color temperatures, 5 levels of brightness, remote control, timing function. Oh yeah. We're suited for our everyday life and the wide use in the living rooms, restaurants, bedrooms, music bars, and coffees. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.